Hello everyone, I'm Michelle Smith and welcome to my channel. I have a Valentine's Day craft for you today. The tools that you're going to be needing are your glue gun and glue sticks, a glass scraper, a utility knife, a good pair of scissors, a good ruler, and something safe to cut on. The materials that you're going to be needing all come from the Dollar Tree. The first thing that you're going to need are some of these gem stickers. They're red and pink. And then I also have some other stickers to choose from. You can choose one kind. You don't need 2 packages, just one. But I pulled out these 2. You're also going to need one of these frame signs from the Dollar Tree. It's just a clear glass with a word printed on it in a white frame. There's no back on it. Okay? You're also going to need a piece of their foam board. You need to cut a piece the same size as the frame. And then you're going to need some kind of paper for the background. I have some leftover construction paper. This is a light gray. I'm going to be using that for my background. And then I also have a dark gray, which I'm going to be using for my silhouette. You're also going to be needing a Valentine's Day card. Now I've chosen these 2. I'm most likely going to be using this one. The reason why I've chosen it is because the heart comes right off and it says, "You are loved." So I'm going to be using this part in the project. Now, they have lots of Valentine's Day cards that have 3-dimensional pieces on it that you can choose from. I also grabbed this one in case the other one didn't work. And it says, "I love you" lots in these hearts, and they're raised, so you could take these off. And then if you don't want to use the silhouette, then you can also use the llama because he's 3-dimensional. So make sure to check out their Valentine's Day cards and see if there's something there that you like that you could use. Okay, and then you're also going to need to print out a cat silhouette. Now this is very simple. Just go to Google and type in cat reaching silhouette and you'll get several to choose from. Okay, I went ahead and chose this one, which is this guy right here. But like I said, just look on the internet, find what one you like. I just moved it over to Word and sized it to the size I needed. Okay, let me get cleaned up and we'll get started. Okay, so I went ahead and took the plastic off my sign. The next thing I'm going to do is remove the wording. And it is printed on the back. So you just want to take one of these glass scrapers that has a razor blade and just go ahead and scrape it off. It comes off rather easy. So you just want to go ahead and remove all of the wording. Okay, so you can see I got the wording off there really easy. That makes it nice. Now I'm just going to go ahead and clean the glass and set it aside. Okay, the next thing you want to do is to make sure that you cut the foam board the same size as the base. That is going to be your backing. And then you also want to cut whatever you're going to use as your backdrop the same size. Okay. Then I'm just going to go ahead and tack down the backing. Just going to put few little drops of hot glue around the edges to secure the backing. the next step you want to do is go ahead and take your silhouette. I found this is the easiest way to do it. Just kind of remove any excess paper. So you cut out your silhouette, and then what I did was I just taped this down to my backing that I wanted to use. And then I taped this down to keep it secure. Okay. And then I just took my scissors and went and cut out my silhouette. So that's how I got my kitty. Okay, now I'm just going to kind of play with this a little bit to see how I want to lay out my kitty. Maybe here. Okay, so I think I'm going to go this route. I think this looks better. And then I'm going to go ahead and we're going to place some of these hearts kind of floating up in a way that the kitty is playing with. So I'm going to go ahead and get this glued down. Okay, so I have them tacked down. As you can see, I need to remove some of the tail. I didn't use it all, so I'm going to trim that off. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use these stickers for my main. I like these. They have a couple that have words. This one says heart. This one says sweet. Another one that says heart. So I'm going to go ahead and use these. Just choose whatever ones that you like. Place them however you like them. I think these are so pretty. You can customize this however you like. Use whatever colors that you like. Now I love kitties, and this is kind of my homage to my babies. But if you have a dog and you want to do it for a dog or any other animal, you just change the silhouette. You don't even need to use a silhouette. You can design it any way that you like. And then I'm also going to use some of these gemmed heart stickers. And I give a little mix there of colors, sizes, and shapes. This will help add a little bit of sparkle. Now, if you like crafts, DIYs, and hauls, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I do upload new content every week. Now this project you can also make into a shaker frame by simply adding some of the red confetti before you seal it up. And then that way they can shake it and the red confetti will move around. That's an option for you if you want to go that route. I know the shaker are kind of popular right now. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add some of these as well. I like the little bit smaller hearts on there. I'm going to go ahead and add a couple of those. Okay, now if you want to check your design, just go ahead and lay your frame over. Okay, now once you have your design done and you're happy with it, the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and glue the back on. Now if you wanted to make this a shaker, go ahead and put the confetti in and then glue the back on. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed that craft. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I do upload new content every week. Thanks again. You have a great day, and I'll catch you next time.